So I'm in my car and I was making a short list of things I have to do for the rest of the day. I own a home staging business and I'm also a real estate agent, and I started to notice that my list keeps having the same thing on the top: start a YouTube channel. And this is something that I've been wanting to do for a while, but it's so hard to make your first YouTube video because you want everything to be right, lighting and the background and all these things. But it made me think that although those things are important, what's most important is sharing the content, or sharing what goes on in my home staging business and how to start a business and things like that. And that's what I want to share with everyone. So I'm sitting in my car. It's loaded with bags of pillows and blankets, and I'm actually on my way to do some light staging on a short-term rental that I'm managing. And right now the photos that are listed could be better. I had some discussions with the owners, and sometimes they don't want to spend a lot of money, but when you're staging or you're trying to sell your property or rent your property, you want it to show in the best light. So right now I am just going to spruce up the bedrooms. Like I said, my car's packed. This is behind the scenes. These are things that you may come across in a home staging business and that you may have to do on your own. So I basically just gathered some things, pulled some inventory, and I'm gonna head over to the house and do some light staging on the bedrooms, and maybe spruce up the living room and just the family room, things like that. And I will come back and I'll definitely show you some before and after photos. I mean, I know that's what excites everyone the most, but realistically I want to share everything. So not just the pretty part, but also you sitting in your car with bags, riding around town, sweating, with your t-shirt on, and just doing what you have to do to make things work. So make sure you come back to see the before and after. And this is my first video, and I just feel good that I did it and I started. So maybe now I'll just keep it going. So hopefully you guys join me. Click like, share, all those good things. I'm still learning, so let's do it. And by the way, the name of my business is Envisions Home Staging and Redesign. And look forward to seeing more videos and posts and pictures and all the good stuff. And don't be afraid to tell me what you want to see, because there's a lot and I have it all. See you next time.